Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Adyan's World. Today my project is coding of chick game. Let's start the game. Now I will show you how I coded the game. This is the coding of the game. I have used two sprites. One is a chick, another one is an egg. First, we see the chick coding. The chick is moving in y-axis and I have used space bar for the chick movement. I use chip sound when the chick moves. If the chick fly and come back again to the y-axis. With this change y by 20 and minus 20 code. It will repeat with the repeat code. This is scorecard code. Now we will see the egg coding. The egg is moving in x-axis. It is started with the code when flag clicked. This is the coding and position of x and y axis for this egg, and this is gliding of egg coding. This is the code when the egg touches the chick. The game over. Let's play now. Now I am going to play the game. Let's start by clicking the flag button. Now press the space bar to make the chick jump. We have to save the chick from touching the egg to get more points. See, now my chick touches the egg. The game over. That's all friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Ilya from Wiingy Robotics.